Hello, and welcome to our channel where we explore everything. This is the fourth video of the series, Create Your Own Automation App, and today we'll be diving deep into the heart of what makes this app an automation app, the trigger nodes. Previously, we've discussed in detail how to create flows. Those are the tasks or processes that you want to run automatically. But to make these flows run on their own, we need something to start them off. That's where the trigger node comes into play. As mentioned in our previous video, for this experiment, we're defining two types of triggers. Time-based triggers. These are based on schedules or time. Record operation-based triggers. These are triggered by actions such as creating, editing, and deleting records. Of course, depending on your specific needs, you can create other types of triggers too. For reference, you can take a look at Odoo's own automation module. After all, this experiment is inspired by it. For our experiment, we'll be creating a simple trigger node based on the current date. Let's jump straight into the code to understand how it works. At the core of this process lies Odoo's cron job system. Here's how it works. We calculate the smallest interval among all the trigger nodes. The cron job is set to run at this interval. When the time comes, the cron job will execute the corresponding flows. On the front-end side, we provide users with options to choose how often they want these flows to be executed. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor the automation to fit your specific needs. For example, daily flows, weekly flows, or monthly flows. Now, let's move on to triggers based on record operations. For example, take a look at the onCreate trigger node as shown on your screen. We create a new create method which replaces the original create method of the selected model. This way, when a record is created for that model, we can run the corresponding flows. Similar techniques are applied to other triggers based on record operations. For triggers based on deleting records, we patch the unlink method. For those based on editing records, we patch the write method. With these core components in place, we're done with the essential parts of the app. The rest is simply creating nodes based on your specific needs. Whether it's to log record changes, or to email weekly sales report, to send data to other system, or even to use AI to regularly analyze data, it's all possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all my experiments and tutorials.